In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Asana and Google Sheets with Unito. Keep in mind that the steps we take here are almost identical when syncing other project management or software development tools like Trello, ClickUp, Jira, or GitHub. Here I've got my Asana project, which in this use case helps me plan and coordinate tasks with the product team. However, my stakeholders work in Google Sheets. Because they want to know where projects are at, I need to export the data every week, clean it up, and then import it to a spreadsheet. It takes a lot of time when I should be focused on coordination work instead. So how we want this flow to work is that when a new task is created in Asana, it will sync over to Google Sheets so that teams who aren't in Asana can get updates on projects from their tool of choice. I've already synced over existing task data into this spreadsheet and will show you how the flow works when a new task is added. I'll create a new task in Asana to create a competitor analysis along with some details like the due date, assignee, and priority. I've set up my flow so that any task in this project, except those under engineering issues, will sync over to Google Sheets. We can see that the task has synced over to Google Sheets along with all the information I added in Asana. Now, my collaborators and team members who want to know where projects are at can simply check for the latest updates here. They don't need to request them manually, and I don't need to export and import data on a regular basis. Whenever a new Asana task is added or details are changed, like a due date or assignee, this will sync over to Google Sheets. This way everyone is on the same page, there's more visibility and less back and forth. To show you how this works, we'll go into Unito to look over the steps. The first step is to connect your tools, Asana and Google Sheets. At this stage, you will also have to install a simple add-on from the Google Marketplace and activate it within your sheet. Doing this will add two columns to your sheet, Unito ID and last modified, which are required for your flow to sync. We'll update these fields automatically for you. The second step is to choose a direction of your flow. I've chosen one way here so that tasks created in Asana go to Google Sheets. I don't want report viewers to be able to create tasks from Google Sheets. The third step is to create rules. I created a simple rule that says that any tasks within the Asana project, except those under engineering issues, will sync over. Depending on your needs, you could specify tasks from certain team members or with specific labels. And in my fourth step, I've added field mappings like due dates, titles, and priority, so that information is available in Google Sheets. The fields you select in Asana will map over to the columns you've added in Google Sheets. And that's it. Now you know how to connect Asana to Google Sheets. You can use the same steps outlined here to connect other project management or software development tools like Trello, ClickUp, Jira, or GitHub to get a complete view of your work across all projects.